Okay, I'll get 3 out.
Don't cut yourself. Just a safe warning. Don't get too excited.
All right.
Or push too hard, because then if it slips, you know what's going to happen.
Right, right. I think I got it, Wade.
Good. So we only need 3.
3 9-inch straights.
Yep. That's what we need right now.
Right on, Wade.
Okay, you got 2. We need 1 more.
3.
Okay, and you're sticking them on the same, like, opposite sides, right?
Yes, I will, because I do. I need to get some more of these rail joiners out of here.
Okay.
So how was the weather over there? It was raining hard on and off. Sunny.
Nice and sunny, but cold, chilling wind all day.
Ah.
And it didn't get higher than maybe you felt like 60 degrees today. So cool.
Ah. Okay, cutting these up. I'm getting quicker cutting these up, Wade.
Good. Yeah, you get a feel of the tool and how it cuts it,
So
or the best place to put it so they get it cut quickly.
Thank you. We need about, I think we need about 6 rail joiners, huh?
Mm-hmm. As you open packages, you're going to get the strips of them, so put them together somewhere so you don't lose them.
Right on, Wade. Okay. So I do the one on this end like I did the rest. I went from,
Same as you did the curve trap. Got it.
got it, Wade.
Good.
Now you're getting happy. I thought you were grouchy.
Just trying to get you to move.
Right
Wake
on.
up and move.
Right on. Wake up and smell the roses.
Yep. You don't want to smell people's feet
Uh-oh.
underground.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Thank God you're standing up and looking down at the ground every day.
That's right, Wade. That's right, Wade. I got one straight done. Oh, that ain't gonna work. I gotta put it on the other end. I remembered.
Good. Because you're going to do that to all of your tracks. Same pattern.
What about the
You
switch?
know, in your case, the right side is the far away one.
What about the switches?
Huh?
What about the switches?
We're going to do those next. After you do 1 3-inch one.
Okay, I got 2, and
We
I've
need
got.
oh, do you have, what's your rail joiner track? Is it a straight one?
Yeah, I got a straight. You said 3 straight.
Get your one with the screws on it. Is that a 9-inch one? We're gonna hook the wires to your turnout? To your
Yeah, but
bottle?
then he gave me a one that has the wires attached.
Well, okay, you got that?
Well, I thought I did. I
Is
have
it,
to look in the box there, but I think I put it in
well,
there.
go grab it because we're gonna use that instead of one of the straight tracks since we're gonna set up the front of the layout in one side of the layout.
So I
We don't
won't.
get it
So
all
I
done.
won't. I won't be sitting there like I used to and looking this way, huh? I'm gonna
No.
be going. So I might need to
You're
get.
sitting where you're sitting and you're gonna, yeah. So we're gonna put the track with the wires right there in front of the layout where you're sitting. So you need to go find that, but we'll do that last. Okay, I only need two 9-inch straights if the other one is a 9-inch straight. Has the
Okay,
wires on.
I gotta see if it's in that box.
Okay,
Cause I thought I put it in there, Wade, but. I got an extra 9-inch. Oh, 9-inch. I got an extra 9-inch straight. Is this it?
so we lift it up higher. Yeah, we can use that one.
I'm glad I
Yeah.
saved that, Wade.
Yeah, has it got rail joiners on it? If not, use some of the rail joiners you have.
Well, I had to take them off because they were soldered.
Oh, okay. Well,
But I
you
can.
slip it
Do you
back?
want me to put it onto this one?
Yeah.
Because there's 2 left.
Now have the screws facing down.
What do you mean,
You know,
like?
when you're holding it, turn it around now though, because have it face you and then put the screws down. Rotate it. There you
Okay,
go.
I
Now put
did.
the rail joiners. Well, put the rail joiners on it just like you were putting them on the other track.
Okay, got one, and I'm gonna get the other one.
Good.
Thank you for bringing that up. I didn't realize that.
You got to hook your power on somewhere, so that's where we're going to do it. Yep.
All right, I got it on, Wade.
Good. Okay. Then get 1 3-inch track.
1 3-inch track.
Mm-hmm. Yep. We just need one of those right now.
Okay, I only need one of these.
Yep.
Okay, so then get it out of here, Wade.
Okay.
Okay, got one, and then I need a rail joiner.
Oh, you can use it. Yeah.
And I'll leave the other rail joiners in the box. Right, Wade?
Yeah. Or get a jar and start sticking them in a jar all together
You got
as
it.
you open packages so you don't lose any.
You got it, Wade.
Although he did give you some extra ones, so that was good.
Okay, you want me to cut these other two or no?
Well, save them. We'll use them on another piece in a minute.
Because I got this one piece that I'm going to put the rail joiners onto.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you, Wade. Thank you. Okay, now what do we do, Wade? I got the 3 inch.
Okay, next thing, get your turnouts.
Okay, my
We're gonna do
turnouts.
Yeah. That's a powered one, isn't it? But you don't want a remote. You want the non-powered one.
Right, this is non-powered.
It says, how come it's got the power switch with it? It says remote. No, it says remote in the upper corner, upper right corner. It says remote.
We need a right or left one, Wade.
You need one right and one left